I happened to be near Burger King and saw that they had 3 different kinds of fries. So I'm gonna try them all. See what I think. Let's see if Burger King did something good. So these are the spicy chicken fries. They look decent. I mean, got good color to them. A little flimsy, but not bad. Tiny bit of heat. Not amazing, but I'd eat it. I like it. Decent with barbecue. Mozzarella fries, as they call them. Kind of break it apart, but ooh, that looks good. It's not bad. A little bit of herbiness from the breading. Cheese isn't as stretchy as I thought it was. Actually, maybe it is. This is tasty. Nice and hot. Good in marinara. And they weren't too expensive either. Not bad. Churro fries. I'm really excited. It's a little dry, but it could be a little chewier, but it's churro flavor. That's the best.